We begin tonight, though, with the state-backed Citizens Property Insurance looking to push even more people to the private market. This is 10 Tampa Bay at 6. I'm Dave Wagner.
And I'm Carolina Lee. The insurer of last resort wants to shrink the number of policies, which has ballooned to over 1.4 million. The state approved these 6 companies to take on policies, and it comes as more than 300,000 others, many here in Tampa Bay, got offers to leave Citizens.
As Citizens and other companies look to limit their risk, 10 Tampa Bay's Aaron Parsegian shows us how some smaller ones have been popping up to fill the void.
In just the past few months, we've seen major names like these pull back their presence in Florida, essentially saying it's too risky. But at the same time, new companies are being approved to write policies in their place. So who's willing to take that risk?
The Loggerhead Insurance is headquartered in Tampa, Florida.
Jim Santo and Todd Dixon are the co-founders of Loggerhead Insurance. The roughly year-old company is going to offer home insurance policies to some of the 100,000 people set to be dropped by Progressive next year.
In the case of Progressive, they're looking to rebalance. They looked at their countrywide exposure. Loggerhead is a Florida-based company. And we have no plans to move outside of Florida.
I met the company brass at their new office off Dale Mabry. They now have more than 40 employees and about 16,000 customers so far. I had one question for them. Why get involved in a market as rocky as Florida property insurance?
People need homeowners insurance in Florida, and we wanted to create more of a supply of homeowners insurance.
Looking to meet the demand, as many know just the trouble of finding coverage. While the state-backed Citizens is looking to cut back, their policyholders don't have to jump ship if it will cost more than 20%. Santos says Loggerhead can offer competitive rates.
So we've done our own analysis to know how our pricing lines up, and we plan to provide a competitive product.
And he says recent changes put forth by the legislature makes them feel more confident in potential growth.
We have plans to grow in the state and want to do that all across the state.
Those getting dropped by Progressive next year don't have to go with Loggerhead, but it is an option. And in this market, and you'll hear it from experts, options are a good thing. In studio, Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.